Looking to purchase a Samsung digital mortise handle lock but not sure if it'll fit your door? This instructional video will explain all the required dimensions. The door thickness needs to be between 40 and 60 millimeters, and the lock style, the distance from the edge of the door to any glass or artwork within the door, needs to be a minimum of 115 millimeters. A 32mm hole and a 66mm hole below with a back set of 70mm on the face of the door. The mortise plate is 25mm wide by 110mm high. DDL can supply a larger face plate up to 240mm to cover any previous holes. If you have a screen door, we recommend at least 70mm from the screen door to the door lock. If you have these measurements, then the Samsung Mortise handle locks will fit. If you have any further questions, get in touch with us via phone or email.